A Perth diver who swam 12 kilometres over 5 hours, lost in waters off Rottnest, has thanked everyone involved in the rescue. Speaking exclusively to 9 News, Damien Zilm has urged all divers to wear shark shields and flotation markers.
Exhausted and cold, missing diver Damien Zilm reaches for help from strangers after spending 5 hours lost at sea.
So happy, so exhausted, and just really, really thankful to the effort that was put in, because it was clear the effort, the amount of boats and the planes that were actually out there looking for us. So we've gone from here.
The 42-year-old says he was diving with mates near Rottnest yesterday morning when 2 of them were caught in a current.
You're in the ocean, you're bobbing up and down in the water, you don't have good visibility, and yeah, you're very much alone.
One of the divers made it to the boat, but he didn't know how to operate the vessel, forced to watch as his friends drifted further away.
He struggled to get on board, was lucky to have got on board, dropped his noose, ended up having to cut the anchor rope, and then got rope tangled around the prop, and by that stage had lost the position of where we were.
He managed to raise the alarm, which sparked a 3.5-hour air and sea search. Rescue crews say conditions were average and visibility was poor.
We had 32 volunteers on the water, plus some paid policemen. We had 7 rescue assets out there, plus a helicopter.
Armed with a shark shield, the missing pair decided to swim to Stragglers Point, but were eventually separated. Jim Nicholson and colleagues found Damien after they spotted a reflection on some rocks. It was Damien's torch.
He was fairly fatigued, so we had to lift him into the boat. He couldn't get in himself. And as soon as we dragged him into the boat, we asked what he was doing out there, and he said, he was out diving. And he's got another friend in the water.
I knew that I was going to be safe, and then we could go pick up Daryl. So that was a very, very reassuring and very happy moment, especially given that once I was on the rock, I didn't know if I was going to be there all night.
45 minutes later, the third diver was found and returned to shore. Kelly Williams, 9 News.